How to hide channels on Slack. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your channels on Slack application. So if you want to hide any channel for whatever reason, make sure you stay till the end of this video and find out how you can do it. So let's open up our application, and here let's open up a channel that we want to hide. Now we need to tap on the name of the channel on top of the screen and just scroll down, and as you can see there's this big white button that says archive channel. You just click on that and confirm that you want to archive it, and you have completely archived the channel, and it's hidden from your channels tab, as you can see. So basically that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and goodbye.